Today we will learn how to lock objects within a PowerPoint presentation. Begin by launching PowerPoint and opening the presentation you wish to work with. It is important to start from a clear workspace, so take a moment to ensure that your presentation is fully open and the slide you intend to modify is visible on your screen. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth and efficient process. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide that contains the object you want to secure. This could be any element such as a text box, an image, or a shape. Having your specific slide on display helps you focus on the particular object you intend to lock, reducing the chances of accidentally modifying the wrong element later. Remember to clear your view of any unnecessary clutter by possibly minimizing other open panels if needed. After you have located your target slide, the next step is to select the object you aim to lock. Move your cursor over the object until you see that it is highlighted or outlined, indicating it is ready to be manipulated. If the object does not visually indicate its selection immediately, consider clicking directly on the object. This step is essential as it confirms that you have chosen exactly the element you wish to prevent from further accidental edits. In some cases, especially with grouped objects, you might need to click multiple times until the specific element is selected instead of the entire group. Once the object is properly selected, proceed by right-clicking on it. The right-click action is a standard method to bring up additional options that are contextually relevant to the selected object. With your cursor positioned over the object, a right-click will open a contextual menu that displays several possible actions you can take. This method is both intuitive and efficient, as it bypasses the need to search through multiple tabs in the toolbar. Within the contextual menu that appears, locate the option that reads Lock. By choosing the lock option, you are instructing PowerPoint to restrict any accidental movements or modifications to this object. This function is particularly helpful when working on detailed presentations where repositioning or unintended editing can be a frequent issue. By locking an object, you ensure that its current placement, size, and formatting remain unchanged as you continue to work on other aspects of your slide. Following these steps guarantees that the object remains secure, making it ideal for protecting design elements that serve as a backdrop or are integral to your presentation layout. This method also allows you to work more confidently on other elements, knowing that the locked object will not shift or change unless you deliberately choose to unlock it later. These instructions provide a simple yet effective way to manage your objects in PowerPoint and enhance your overall productivity in creating well-organized presentations. Taking the time to lock important elements not only protects your work, but also helps maintain a consistent visual structure throughout your slides. Enjoy the process of refining your presentation with these practical tips in mind, and appreciate the ease that comes with a secure and stable presentation layout.